Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Vanity Talk with Sanjana, and today we are going to be doing a very exciting video. And for this video I have my little cousin with me and she's making me laugh. Okay, anyways, so this is my little sister Vibzi, or Vibha as I like to call her. This video is inspired by Sakshi Shivdasani and she is a very popular Instagram, you know, she has these like, yeah, so she has these like small rants and stuff. She's damn fun. So she did this video where she went ahead and tasted a bunch of coffee, different coffees from different, you know, outlets and like, you know, brands and stuff like that. So I am a non-coffee drinker and it's 2021 and you know, coffee is like an adult drink. So since it's 2021 and I am going to be turning 25 this year, I'm an adult. Yeah, she's 18, but I thought we could start drinking coffee, and baby steps for this is to drink cold coffee, which is why I have ordered a bunch of cold coffee from different places, and we are gonna taste test these coffees and see which coffee is the best coffee. One. Let's go. So we both are quite, yeah, we both are like noobs in this field, so we pardon us. Yeah, so we don't know if we're gonna be tasting it, you know, in the best way possible. But anyways, we are gonna be doing this. It's gonna be so much fun and I'm so excited. So let's get into the video. Woo! Okay. So we're going to be testing out the cold coffee from Cafe Coffee Day. So Cafe Coffee Day is like the pride of Karnataka because it's owned by a Kannadiga. And we've been going to Cafe Coffee Day like since we were little, I think.
She has.
Don't tell me you haven't.
I don't drink coffee, so why would I go to Cafe Coffee?
I don't know. We are going to be using these. Like, I'm not even doing it fancy enough, dude. I'm just like pouring it straight up, pouring it in.
Why do we need the fancy?
Okay.
Smells like coffee.
Yeah, so it smells like
coffee.
Coffee mixed with vanilla-ish. Okay. So this is Cafe Coffee Day, you guys. Actually, you know what? It doesn't taste as bad. It does taste like coffee.
It's normal coffee.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like...
Tastes like my mom's coffee.
Yeah, it's nothing exclusive.
My mom makes good coffee.
Yeah, we're South Indians, so we're like filter coffee experts. So anyways, it tastes like regular coffee, but like not a strong coffee flavor, okay? It's like, it's like a very light kind of coffee. It's cold and it's like basically just like a hot coffee made cold.
Cold coffee is supposed to be cold.
Yeah, but it's not like a milkshake is my point.
Dude, it's cold coffee.
So next up we have McD. Guys, it is McDonald's. Okay, we haven't removed the packaging anyway, so this is the McDonald's ones. Right. Have you had McDonald's coffee before?
I think I've tasted it.
No, I haven't. So this is my first time ever. What coffee did I order? I thought I ordered like cold coffee, dude.
Well, that's like, straight up decoction. I mean, that's decoction.
What if I ordered black coffee, like iced Americano or something?
You should know.
No, I'm not sure. I probably did order iced Americano.
Well, check the order.
Yeah, wait, let's see. Let's taste it. Even if it's iced Americano, it's still considered as cold coffee, right?
Basically another cold coffee.
Yeah, so it's just another cold coffee. Anyways. So,
we're gonna do this.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Ow! Okay. You don't like a shot! That was strong. Okay. I have been betrayed. Traitor.
Why would you call me a traitor?
You told me take it like a shot.
Oh my god, Vibha! How is the taste of it though?
It's strong. Can I have some water?
I just want to show you something. So my cousin's gonna be here in probably less than half an hour. So yeah, this is like the McDonald's one. I quickly need to like change it, and I think I will. So I'm pranking her basically. McDonald's one, and I'm going to transfer it into this glass, and I'm going to swap it to something really disgusting. Okay, that's that. Salt. So I'm going to take some salt, put it in there. This is like a coffee decoction, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it. And now I'm going to make it more gross by adding some water in it. I had to be really quick because she's upstairs waiting for me. This is the McDonald's one, and this is the gross one that I've made, and I'm just going to stick it back now. And I'm going to take it to her saying this is the one that McDonald's gave. Transfer it into this glass, and I'm going to swap it to something really disgusting. So what? This is the actual McDonald's coffee, which we're going to be trying right now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah! I haven't unpacked the rest yet, but only the McDonald's ones was not, like, you know, not properly sealed. You didn't even notice.
And I was like, what kind of packaging is this? McD.
This is the original McDonald's shop. It's honestly a stronger flavor than cafe coffee, Dave.
It's literally just stronger cafe coffee.
Yeah. It basically tastes like, you know, milk mixed with water, but then also coffee.
This tastes more vanilla.
Yeah, this tastes more vanilla. Anyways, now we're moving on to a more milkshakey sort of thing. This is the Ferrero Rocher cold coffee from Truffles.
There's no label.
Yeah, there's no label, but you just have to believe me. So I'm just taking the other end of the McDonald's one, and I'm just mixing it.
Indian we are.
Fun because I have tasted it before. It has ice cream, it has chocolate sauce, it has coffee, of course, and it also has I think Ferrero Rocher chocolate, like the actual chunk of the chocolate is in it. So that's pretty much what it is. You can. Anyways, this is the Truffles one. It's the most milkshakey cold coffee that you can find amongst the six coffees that I've ordered.
This is like Oreo.
I told you, this Truffles is like completely a milkshake. Sometimes, very rarely, they add coffee in it. This doesn't have any coffee in it right now, at least. There's no coffee. It's moving on. Now that the milkshakey chocolates are out of the way, let's get into some actual coffee brands. So first up, we have Starbucks. So as you can see, the packaging is top class. I think it has ice like... Bro, that foams! This foam is actually ice. Like, yeah, that makes so much difference. But still looks very watery.
Looks watery and it's light. Are you
Yeah.
sure you ordered like coffee?
Yeah.
Is this coffee?
Yeah! Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, the Starbucks coffee is right here. Is this ice water? Okay, you know what I feel like? It was for immediate consumption.
Yeah,
And we didn't do it. So
It took way too long.
yeah, it was kept in the fridge for quite some time. At least for about 2 hours it was in the fridge. But like, it tastes like a very diluted coffee, and I think even if it wasn't for the water, like from the ice, it's still a pretty light coffee, right?
I think so, yeah, by the color.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good actually. It's
Yeah.
very decent, yeah. Anyways, we are moving on. If you are really coffee lovers, then you'll probably go to these other brands that I'm going to, like, you know, show next. So first up we have
Third wave.
Third Wave Coffee Roasters.
Let's go.
Yeah, so this is the Third Wave Coffee Roasters. Actually, take a minute to appreciate like the art on it. It's so cute. Don't you think so?
Oh look, UK.
And it looks a lot thicker than the other coffees.
Looks pure.
Yeah, and it also looks darker than the other coffees.
It smells darker.
Yup.
Woof.
Dark. It smells like coffee.
Yes, it smells like dark coffee.
Is this, I don't know if this particular brand is in other parts of India, but it is quite a thing in Bangalore right now at least. I see a lot of people, I see a lot of people actually go to Third Wave coffee roasters. We are taste testing the Third Wave coffee roasters. She doesn't even want to cheers with me, you know, like I have to go and do this.
Because I might spill it, okay?
Too strong. It's really strong. Like it's actually very strong. Yeah, like I said, the actual coffee lovers would prefer Third Wave coffee roasters and not our milkshake coffees.
Like this is like good exam coffee.
Yeah, like this. Yeah. The thing about why I don't drink coffee is when I drink very strong coffee, it kind of gives me a headache. I don't know if it's just me or if there are other people like me.
Just stop.
That was way too strong for my liking.
I feel awake!
Let's go and show you guys this beautiful box.
It looks so cute!
It's from Slay Coffee.
You guys slaying the package.
Anyways, moving on, we are gonna open this beautiful packaging. Like I feel like I'm opening some luxury bag. Like that's how, yeah, like it has like shiny silver thing inside. Okay, so this is how the glass looks, and it has a picture of who does it for you, you know. It says handcrafted by Prajwal.
That is so sweet.
Yeah, like it is so sweet. So anyways, we are gonna taste Slay coffee and see if it's gonna make us slay
or just lay. It's light.
Yeah, it's super light,
but I think we like it.
I'm sure
it's gonna slay. It's all in the name.
It's so light.
Yo, that's a good shade.
So we're gonna drink it. It's so yummy.
No, right? Actually, it's like it tastes a lot darker than it actually looks.
Yeah, it tastes a lot darker than it actually looks, and it still kept the milkshake vibe of a cold coffee, which is so great for like beginners like us, honestly.
I know.
It's the yummiest
Total
coffee.
slay.
Yeah, total slay. No wonder it's called Slay Coffee. And
Darling. Oh.
This is so clear that we've had too much coffee, dude.
I know. Oh my god.
I am like screaming.
Let's be sober. As in we are sober. I mean, let's be calm, composed.
So we are at the end of the video and we're gonna rank them and rate them. We've had 6 coffees. Yeah, so the first coffee we had was Cafe Coffee Day, and for this I would rate probably, actually I did like Cafe Coffee Day coffee, so I think I'm gonna rate it like an 8 out of 10. And you?
8.
Up, we had the McDonald's
the salted decoction.
Yeah, this is the prank coffee, but this is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the actual McDonald's coffee that we had. And for that, I would give it like, it's just a stronger version of the Cafe Coffee Day, right?
The actual one, right?
Yeah, the actual one.
Yeah, it is.
So for that, I would give it like a, I would still give it an 8 on 10. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, same. So we went and had the Truffles Ferrero Rocher cold coffee. I've had it multiple times. I'm still gonna have it whenever I go to Truffles. I'm gonna have it because I love it.
I love it too.
I would give it a 10 on 10 just for the taste, dude.
Same, just same.
So 10 on 10 from both of us for Truffles. So the next one that we drank was the Starbucks one. I kind of didn't like it.
I don't remember it. Oh, this one. Yeah, I mean it was okay.
Yeah, so I think I would give this coffee, like the Starbucks coffee,
6.5.
I would give it a 6 on 10.
Yeah, 6.56.
Yeah. The next coffee that we have is the Third Wave Coffee Roasters coffee. Now this coffee is very rich and it's very strong. It is dark. I think the actual coffee lovers will
love this.
Yeah, they're gonna like freak out on this one because it's generally like the coffee lover's paradise. Yeah, so if you take this review seriously, then I feel like you should go to Third Wave Coffee Roasters if you're in Bangalore. Third Wave, I feel like for the coffee lover's sake, I'm giving it a 10 on 10.
Yeah.
Anyways, lastly we have Slay Coffee. We loved Slay Coffee, clearly.
Slayed it.
Yeah, and they make it so personal, so 10 points just for that. So yep, Slay Coffee, we love the taste. Yup, 10. 10 on 10, that is what it is. We're gonna rank it. I'm gonna give my ranking real quick and you're gonna give your ranking real quick so we can end the freaking video.
Okay.
Okay, on 6th position I have Starbucks. You?
Cafe.
Cafe.
CCD.
Okay, on 5th position I think I would give it to McDonald's. You?
Same.
McDonald's is on the 5th position, mutual, like unanimously. On the 4th position, I would have Cafe Coffee Day, and you?
Starbucks.
So on the 3rd position, because I'm not a coffee lover, and I wouldn't probably take that particular.
Same one.
Yeah, so I don't think I'm going to be choosing that particular one. So that would be the Third Wave Coffee Roasters. It's
But
for me,
for
like
coffee,
my ranking.
it's really good. Just
Yeah.
that we don't drink coffee now.
Yeah, and I have a tie, dude. Like the rest of it, I have a tie. Like I can't
Same.
choose. You know, for the first rank, I can't choose between Slay
Because
Coffee.
they're like different. This is like milkshake and this is coffee.
Yeah, like Slay Coffee is coffee, and Truffles Coffee is milkshake. But because we love both, but you know what? On the basis of coffee, we should give the second.
Second and first.
Yeah, so I think we would rank Truffles second just for the taste. And obviously Slay Coffee slayed it like we said, and it is the first rank in our ranking. So that was that, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed us go crazy and just keep laughing.
Hopefully you liked it. We didn't mean to offend anybody who got offended. So like, share and subscribe to Vanity Talk with Sanjana.
Do what she said, guys.
Do it.
Until next time, bye. Yes. Don't tell me the entire video is just gonna be us laughing like idiots. Or like a straight up shot, or do you want to savor the taste? What was it called? It reminded me of that cat, you know, that cat meme where the kids are like coughing like.
I choked on the smell of coffee.
No, cut that out. Why did I bring this girl up the show? Why?
Show! Oh my god, this is the Vanity Talk with Sanjana show, guys, which happens every weekend. I think
I have like a coffee OD, dude. It's called overdose. Overdose. OD. Overdose.
I just went to bank OD, so like overdraft, coffee overdraft. How you doing? Oh.
Clearly, we are high on coffee, like she said.